Now let's look at some other stories making international headlines. New Zealand's Prime Minister has confirmed that 65 people have died following a powerful earthquake in the city of Christchurch. That number is expected to rise significantly. The magnitude 6.3 quake struck just after midday, causing busy office buildings to crash down in the bustling city centre. Cries for help could be heard from beneath the rubble during a desperate scramble for survivors. Rescue crews from across New Zealand and Australia are at the disaster site, where a state of emergency has been declared. 107 pilot whales have died after becoming beached on a remote island off the south of New Zealand. Authorities were alerted when a pair of hikers discovered the whales, and about half were still alive at the time but were euthanized to ease their suffering. Time constraints and an approaching storm made it unfeasible to rescue the creatures.